Hi friend, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the Vivo V15 Pro. In this video what we are going to do, we are going to do the unboxing of the device. We will also check the camera features, and with that at the same time we will check the triple rear camera setup, what it is given at the back, the front camera which is the pop-up camera here, you can see that, and also the in-display fingerprint sensor. So these all three we will check it in this video. So let's start the video. So the Vivo V15 Pro comes with the similar kind of packaging of Vivo. It has a 6GB of RAM, 128GB internal storage. It has a pop-up camera, in-display fingerprint sensor, and triple rear camera setup at the back. What it is getting written at the back is it has a 32 megapixel camera, front camera. It has a AI triple camera setup, also the ultra full view display with in-display fingerprint sensor, and it is coming with the Qualcomm 675 octa-core processor with the AI engine. Definitely the price is not written in the box and the device is made in India. Now we are going to do unbox the device and check out the box content, and also at the same time I will show you how to do the face unlock and the fingerprint registration for the device. Now in the box what we are getting is, the first we are getting the case. The case is very different, we haven't seen this way. It is a hard kind of plastic, not the soft one which regularly or usually we used to see that. Now in the box we are getting some paperwork. This paperwork is the quick start guide and the warranty card which is coming inside the box, and there is also a SIM card ejector tool. Now talking about the device, here you can see the device. It shows the in-display fingerprint sensor is in the front, and while pulling off the cover, here you can see it looks pretty much gorgeous. It is in blue color. There will be another color which will be a red gradient color with the black with it. Here you can see the charger. It has a brick charger. The ball charger is little bit bigger in size, and it will help to charge dual engine charging technology, which I will talk it later. And you get the micro USB charging cable. The earphones are also given in the box, and these earphones are pretty much looking premium earphones given by the Vivo. Now talking about the device, here we are going to register the pattern first, so we have to wait putting one pattern, and after that you will put the another pattern after a few seconds. Now talking about the face registration, once I go into the add face, the face registration takes less than 20 seconds, which is incredibly fast. It doesn't take much time, and definitely I will tell you later about the face unlock. Now talking about the fingerprint registration, it also works very smoothly. This is the 5th generation a fingerprint sensor coming in the Vivo smartphone. Earlier we have seen that X21 was the first smartphone by Vivo, and definitely the fingerprint recognition is very fast than the earlier versions. So Vivo is definitely doing a good job in evolving the technology now. So the fingerprint registration is also done. So you can see there are some animation you can pick among the animation. There are 4 kinds of animation present in the device for your fingerprint sensor. So this is all what we are getting in the fingerprint registration and the face unlock at the same time. Now skipping this part, you are good to go and use the device. In the Vivo V15 Pro, we are getting the 2 slots. In the upper slot, what we are getting is the micro SD card slot. So definitely you can expand the memory, other than you are getting a 128GB internal storage. Now talking about the bottom memory card, bottom slot, what we are getting is the 2 slots, which is that both are nano SIM card slot, and both will support 4G VoLTE. So this is what are the slots we are getting. Now talking about the device, here you can see it comes with a 6.93-inch Full HD Plus display. It has a face unlock, and on the side you are getting the power button and the volume rocker key. On the back there is a triple camera setup which comes with the AI support also. So you can see there is a 3.5mm also given in the smartphone. On the side there is also a smart button. We will talk about it later. Coming to the bottom part, here you can see there is a micro USB charging slot, there is a speaker grill, and also the noise cancellation mic is present. There is another noise cancellation on the top. Now talking about the smart button is placed on the left side of the device, and what it does, you can assign the smart button according to your need. It can be used for the Google search or the Google Assistant, so it can be customizable also. You can try it out. It goes into the settings. It is very easy to do that, and definitely it is a useful feature where you don't get a squeeze function, but At the same time, you are getting a separate button for it. Now, talking about the device, it comes with a 3700 milliampere battery, and here I am putting it in the charging mode. This is a dual engine charging mode in the device, which is actually a fast charging. And here you can see the fast charging goes very well, and it will take few minutes to charge the full device. We haven't tried and tested completely. Talking about the device, here you can see the face unlock it takes less than a minute, half a minute it takes to unlock the device. Talking about the fingerprint sensor, in the in-display fingerprint sensor, this is the 5th generation, and it works very smoothly without any delay or hiccup. So now talking about the setting of the device, what we are getting is definitely you have to check it. It comes with the enable easy touch. This is up to you, you want to enable it or not. It is a function you can go directly to your shortcut menus and messages, and it is customizable definitely. Now I am putting it off, I don't want to use it on a regular basis. Now the device, here you can see it comes with a charm with a full view display. Definitely there is no device earlier. The Vivo Next was the first device coming with the full 100% of body, not 100% but 93% among it. Now here you can see there is a few features regarding their system update, system navigation. You can choose those things and remove the navigation from the bottom. There is Jovi camera is used for the AI face beauty, and there are few things what you can try it around and check it in the AI portrait framing also. So this is what Jovi will do for the image recognition. There are few things also given. Now talking about the smart scene, it will be done with the AI comes, which is inside the device. It take out the scenario what you have in the current feature, and the smart button what I have already told you. So there are three kind of customization. First is you press the smart button, second is you press twice, third is you can press and hold for few seconds, and then you can customize those also. So three functions can be customized for this smart button. So this is very easy. Here you can check it. In the meanwhile, I also got a two software update for the device. The one was 167 MB and another was 181 MB. So definitely the software update means definitely the brand is thinking about the experience of the while using the device, which is a good thing. The device is also coming with Android 9.0. It also has a motorbike mode. It comes with the do not disturb mode. It has a GameCube mode where the gaming experience will be enhanced and the background processors will be stopped while playing the game. So this is also a good thing. Now talking about the security for the device, I have already shown you how to do the face unlock, the fingerprint and the pattern code registration, and how it works also at the same time. Now talking about the fingerprint sensor, you can definitely put multiple fingerprint sensor. And talking about the animation styles, here you can see there are 4 styles coming for the device. You can choose or pick whichever you like to have it on your device. So this is also a good thing. There is also a payment system which is not available in India currently right now. You can also add one more finger, what I have already told you. You can put I guess at least 5 fingers you can put it in your device. Now this is what we are getting for that. And system update, I have already told you we got the 2 system update. Talking about the RAM and the storage, we are getting a 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, where 110 MB is the free storage what you are getting. Talking about the specification of the device, it comes with the 6.39-inch Super AMOLED FHD Plus display. It comes with the processor octa-core processor which is Snapdragon 675, which is this is the first device coming with the Snapdragon 675 processor. Talking about the rear camera, it comes with the 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel. Talking about the front camera, this is the first world's 32 megapixel pop-up camera. It is running on Android 9.0, which is on FunTouch OS. We will talk about it later. And lastly, what we are getting is the 3700 milliampere battery with the dual engine charge. Here you can see in the FunTouch 9.0 there are some utility things which I have already told you, and some are also there which we will talk about in the next video. So this is all what the hardware specification is coming with the Vivo V15 Pro. Now talking about the device, this is the world's first smartphone coming with the triple rear camera and the front camera with 32 megapixel, which is a pop-up camera. In the device what we are getting the settings is pretty much nominal what we have seen already. You can change the aspect ratio, you can also change the sound, and let me show you the sounds what you are getting while pop-up. Now we will talk about the triple AI rear camera at the back. Now the primary camera is coming with the 48 million quad pixel technology, which is actually a 12 megapixel camera, and above that there is a 8 megapixel camera, which is a wide angle lens camera, and above that the topmost camera at the rear section is the 5 megapixel camera, which is for the depth sensor TOF camera. So this is the camera setup what we are getting in the device. Talking about the device, it is also having a ultra wide angle, which is a super ultra wide angle you can say, because it is having a 108-degree full frame. So definitely the framing is there, and I will show you more in detail once we are showing you the sample in the video later half. You are getting the modes which you have seen earlier also. So the modes are pretty much similar. It has a dock mode, pro mode, there is a panorama, night mode, there is also a normal photo mode, AI beauty mode. Now the AI beauty mode comes with a pretty much very much customization what you can do with it. It can be changed for the face, lips, eyes, nose, each and everything can be changed and however you want. Now talking about the video mode, talking about the rear camera video mode, you can shoot the 4K video, there is a full HD shooting, and also there is a 720p shooting. You can also shoot into 30 fps and 60 fps optional for the 720p and the 1080p. So this is what you are getting. It will be changed. Now in the front camera what we are getting, the video setting, let me show you. You can shoot up to full HD video. There is also HD video and SD video, 480p video is coming. So this is what you are getting to shoot. Now talking about the last mode is the AR sticker mode, and the first time you have to download all the AR stickers from the internet. You require an internet for downloading those stickers. Now talking about the front camera, the 32 megapixel front pop-up camera is very fun to play. The mechanism is very smooth, and Vivo is always known for its selfie and music system, which is a hi-fi music audio. So this is what we are getting, and I'm putting some samples where you can judge the quality of the picture you are getting with the Vivo V15 Pro. Tell you how the case fits in the device. This is the original case what we are getting with the Vivo V15 Pro. It fits very easily and the cutouts are good, and you can see in the bottom also in the charging port you can stop that so that no dust could enter in the micro USB port. Talking about the front camera, the cutout is very good. It pops out the camera and there is no stoppage or what I can say, it fits perfectly, because this kind of smartphone where there is a pop-up camera, a motorized function is working on, you need a perfect case. You can't put all the cases what you are getting in the market. The fit should be perfect, else it will give the problem or trouble to the camera. Now talking about the device, this is the topaz blue color. There will be another red color also coming later on, and the device price is not known yet, but I expect that the price will be around 30,000 to 32,000. And this is all about the device. It will be going on sale through Amazon.in. This is at the rate ioldmonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and if you have any question for Vivo V15 Pro, just ask us and we will try to reply you soon.